Maharishi Patanjali, during the classical era, is credited with giving the first sympathetic presentation of yoga. The importance of yoga. The benefits of yoga are currently well known throughout the globe. Yoga is highly beneficial and can be practiced to treat various illnesses affecting the digestive system, the lungs, and the stomach. Yoga Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi suggested a designated day to honor yoga practice. The Indian Prime
Best
Minister
practiced early in the morning before sunrise. It has many benefits such as physical and mental strength, better command and over your body, calmness of the mind, balanced energies and inner peace. Surya Namaskar is a powerful technique to make you more mindful. With regular practice, it increases awareness, forming a deeper connection between the body, breath, and consciousness.